Hey, today what we're going to do, we're going to replace the oil on this, what do we got? Huasheng Shen, the 142 4-stroke 49cc motorized bicycle, all right? So what I did is I rigged up this little goober here, and what this is going to do, this is going to make it a little bit easier for me to change the oil on, okay? So the oil is going to come out of the engine, it's going to go down this little tray here and drip down. So let's take a look right here what I've got set up, okay? Basically I'm just something here just to raise my little catch can here. We're going to put that there. All right, so basically all we're going to do, we're going to set this in there just like that, and the oil is going to drip into the pan there. So what we're going to do, 10mm wrench. All right, hammer time. That drain plug was in there tighter than I can't say what. All right, so you're not going to see me drain every drop of oil out there. I had my fat elbow in front of the camera through a lot of it, but you get the idea. Drain your oil out, let it sit for a few, get that last drop out. All right, reinstall your drain plug, get it nice and snug there. And basically all I do is, since this motor here's got a tilt back, I fill it up to where it's coming out. Here, when the motor's level, you want it to where it comes just about to the bottom thread here, where you can see it's threaded where your dipstick goes in, and you should be good to go. So let me show you how to do it. Come on in. All right, it took about 110 milliliters of 30 weight oil. For those of you who don't speak milliliters, that's about 3.7 or 4 ounces of oil. Reinstall your oil fill plug and wipe everything down. All right, there you go. You got it. We're good to go. Give me a thumbs up if you think I helped you out. Subscribe button down below. I want to thank you for watching.